It is kind of neat.
That's
Yeah.
really cool, but really weird. Clean up inside. Wow, look at those circle gauges. Oh, it smells like pee. Let's see what we got. There's a new carburetor in here. It's a base plate gasket. Little 2-barrel. See if it runs. What do you think? It's an old Dodge. She'll fire right up.
You went to go.
There's turds.
You went to go reach for a release and it wasn't there.
There's turds.
Just a couple.
More.
There's a battery in this.
Legend.
A dead legend.
Nice spot for your roadside kit.
Had to put it somewhere.
Oh look, they were so generous. They left a piece of flex pipe there that should be from there to there.
We could put that back.
You know what?
So the first thing you fix? My flex pipe?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. It's like new.
Yep.
We're gonna check, see what we got in the radiator. Any fluids? It's damp, but it's not totally dry.
I need some starting fluid.
Little go-go juice.
No, wake up juice.
Give us a little shake for the camera. Let everybody, yeah, there you go.
It's got electronic ignition. It could have also had a points ignition in it, so either it was converted over or this is a later 73. You can see the electronic ignition box on the firewall over there. Let's see what we got. That should be suffice.
That should be suffice. Nice English. Americans. And like that, it runs again. Back to work, you old Dodge.
Dude! It started right up. See how easy that thing ran?
That's ridiculous.
I gotta get some coolant for it.
All right.
This thing actually runs pretty good.
Is that power steering I see? Oh! And air conditioning? Look at that, the water pump works? Maybe? What do you think? She just needs the old Italian tune-up?
I think it needs a carburetor.
Ah.
On idle.
Whoa! There's your thumbnail.
But she's alright.
She's old and angry.
We got 40 pounds of oil pressure.
Great.
Quarter tank of gas, allegedly. Temperature gauge still has to come up a little bit. 77,000 miles.
Ah, looks like the alternator. She works. Look at that.
The radio, either I don't know how to work it or it's... Oh, wait, maybe it does work.
I mean, I don't see door speakers.
Now there's one central dash speaker for the radio.
Ah, right there.
Does not work.
The horn work?
No, that is also broken.
The horn.
Yeah, you got horsepower. drives.
Where the hell is first gear?
Link, well, I gotta put it in reverse. I don't want to run into Shane's car because the clutch is kind of low on it. Let's see. I think it's forward and up. To me and up should be back.
Yeah, here, let me move that board.
I'll go over it. It's a truck.
All right.
Whoa! Wow, look at that. Nice.
Solid. It runs, it drives, it starts, it stops. And we never said it did any of those things well.
All right. This is a good truck.
Heck yeah, how you like that mirror?
I hate it.
You suck.
It's terrible. It's a terrible mirror.
Yeah.
I think we should clean all the rat turds out of it and take her out for a test drive.
Yeah, I think we should also check out your buddy the bug right here. What the heck is that?
Mud wasp, maybe. Or remnants of one.
Oh yeah, they're all over.
She'll get a good douche and we'll clean her up. She's farm fresh, man. What do you expect?
Farm to table right there. And it starts twice.
Yeah, it doesn't even have an issue with restarting. We got a little bit of temp in it now. It's about a quarter way up.
Let's see, do the headlights work? She's alive again. For farm use.
All right. So, what do you think? Should we clean it and drive it after we clean it, or should we just get in it and hit the road?
I think we should definitely clean it first. This thing needs you got to at least lay your buddy to rest over there. Your unwilling passenger. It's a mouse. For anybody that didn't see the mouse.
Not all of them were survivors.
No, we know the truck runs now, which is fantastic, but we do have to do some extensive cleaning because quite honestly, I don't know if I want to sit in it. The driver's side's not bad.
No. But the passenger side's much worse.
Would you like to show the people what it looks like in this vehicle? Let's give them a full in-depth tour.
All right, so you want to first check out the upper level. We'll start at the top, work our way down. It doesn't get any better as you go down. Starting from the top sounds like the best thing to do it. Lovely colony of wasps. These guys didn't hatch yet. They might still be here. We don't know. That's hard and terrifying. This lever must...
That's a seat adjuster.
yeah. And it smells like pee. Green. It's very green. They definitely ordered it in green. What color? Green. Are you sure? Abso-freaking-lutely.
One of the odd things about these trucks, the dash isn't cracked. Like those always crack on the glove boxes mostly.
They're always destroyed. This has the rust to suggest that, you know, this usually means my dashboard's blown apart. Alright, when they get this, it's like a badge of honor with the Dodge trucks. They all do it. If you own a Dodge, you know. Don't lie. Every single one. And then your dashboard's supposed to blow out. That's like the wear indicator for the dashboard, if you didn't know. Wow, that spare tire is smoked! Holy shit! Well, I bet this truck does one-wheel burnouts and somebody checked with that tire. Frame's clean though. Bunch of mud wasps under here too. You want to guess what color it is in here? Green.
Yeah, we got some rat turds. We're gonna have to get rid of those.
Mice, baby.
It's like one of them came in through that glove box hole.
Next thing you know, him and his mice friends will be sending you letters in the mail.
Greetings from Mouse House Truck.
I see you have taken it to move me from a warmer climate to a colder climate. I now demand heat and inside storage, or I am going to eat all of your wires. Sincerely, Mr. Mouse and Associates. P.S. Don't make the assumption that we are friends. I'm going to destroy your truck. There's no litigation with a mouse.
Bringing in the assault weapon.
Oof.
Baby's my AR-15 of cleansing. The 12-galloner. That's like a 30-round mag.
5 horsepower vacuum? Holy crap.
If that vacuum was a gun, New Jersey would have outlawed it 10 years ago. You want the mystery to your clean dash?
Yeah, what is it?
Sunshade. So just for anybody that has one of these trucks that needs to know tips to keeping a clean dash, because this truck's dash is impeccably perfect. I'm going to tell you all the secrets that I'm just finding out now. Clean dash, make sure the truck smells like a barn. Have yourself a sunshade for the dash. Keeps the sun out, put it right on the windshield.
No, you need to leave it behind this seat and not use it. That one's clearly in the bag.
That was probably a replacement. The one he had might have gotten worn out. This man stayed on top of maintenance, you can tell. And if you can, make sure that you have a nest of rats in your truck. That will help immensely. Like I said, there's no direct evidence of this, but I'm just going by what I'm finding here. And this has got a clean dash, so really you can't argue with facts.
If only you could photograph smells. Yeah.
Oh, it's not even that full.
No, it's just hooky.
Hantavirus, breathe deep.
No, it's a Dodge, not a Honda.
Hantavirus.
Yeah, Dodge. Yeah, you warned me about that Honda virus, and ever since we got the Corolla virus last time, terrified. Nothing lasts like a damn Honda. Thank God the Corolla finally died.
Somebody call Chip Foose, man. We are fucking cargo.
No, this is like MTV Pimp My Ride. Hey, yo, I heard you like green, so I put green on your green on your green. Talk about, the only thing we don't have green is rims, but we do have blue ones in the back. I thought we were going to the drive-in.
Yeah, I'm, no. One of the plastic ones.
Yeah.
Hey!
Wait.
Alright, the clutch is a little wonky, so it's not my fault if it grinds gears.
Oh, and backwards we go.
This is the first time we're ever driving this thingy, too.
Oh, that's what you pay for. Yeah.
Does not like you rolling the clutch. That bitch is in or out. Oh no. Oh boy, a little shaky there. All right, first gear I think is down and in. Let's see, did I get it? I got it!
Away we go.
Maybe. Yep, we're moving. Quarter throttle it is. You see, it's vehicles like this that really just make you a known person in town.
Yeah, let's see if we can get a shift on camera.
Oh, you're a baller, aren't you?
Where's the next gear?
I'm just gonna stop for the stop sign. All right. Come on.
It's gonna stop too.
All right, this is first. We're gonna go for second. Ready? Yeah! We got second!
We didn't slam it into reverse.
Does
find out.
Yeah! They all work! Uh-oh, does it have brakes?
Oh!
Yeah! It's got brakes!
I'm surprised we didn't test that before we went downhill into
I mean, it had a pedal, I just didn't know if it did much. Look at everybody, Kyle's coming through town. Hey, look at the people.
It smells like
How you doing?
Here.
How are you?
Look at that big fluffy boy. That's a fluffy boy.
How you doing?
What's up, fluffy boy?
I like this truck. This feels good. Ah, this is the arm spot.
Ah, from the wear indicator that's
Yes,
there.
that's where you put your arm.
Fits perfectly.
I'm gonna downshift. Downshifts. Oh, that's
third.
Doesn't. Oh, there we go. I got first now.
Wow!
We're good. We're all right. That clutch pedal, man, it doesn't come all the way back. I gotta like put my boot under it and pull it back up. Clutch, see, like goes halfway down before it does something. It still works though. I mean, you could drive it, but it's a little funky.
Do you know if this is like a cable clutch or a hydraulic clutch?
I haven't looked at it. I don't know.
Every time you put it into up, I think it's reverse.
It's frightening. It's
I know. H pattern who?
Well, it's got like an H pattern. It's just up here.
Yeah, I prefer it, you know, there where it's too low.
Oh, this is gonna be hairy. We have a hill, a bad carburetor, a dog, and an oncoming car.
Woof.
Whoa.
And away we go. Was that 25?
Yeah, we hit 25. How about that?
Dodge. Grips or drops gas everywhere.
I wouldn't say that. The gas tank on this truck is behind the seat. Like literally, it's in the cab behind the seat.
Oh shit.
Dodge.
Why is everybody that's driving around a Mopar nowadays an absolute menace?
Clutch slipped.
Just like that?
The clutch legitimately slipped.
Really?
Yeah, like I legit was coming up and it grabbed somewhere and it didn't want to release. Oh, come on, baby. There we go. Yeah, it's like got a stiff spot. So it got caught in the stiff spot and I went to put my boot under it and it just jumped right up. That would, a cop would never believe that's an accident.
I mean, in this, maybe.
They don't understand us.
You could get a cool one.
Not with my
Yeah,
luck.
no, they wouldn't understand it. You get fucked left and right.
Roadworthy.
So we don't want to have real jobs. If you could subscribe and help, it's like
You have to talk louder than that.
it's like that Sarah Palin commercial. Help 2 young boys not go to work because look at this. You don't see this every day.
If you like what you saw, please subscribe to the channel.
You look like a schmuck. You should put your hat on the
Yeah,
other way.
fucking subscribe. Thank you.
We're done.
Turn the camera off. We're done. Turn it off.